PP, hi guys. Today I'm playing this game again. Because Flynn is playing it.
How do Flynn, how do I... How do I stop recording?
Yeah, you click the record button, rec button, after you set it up. Oh. Stage 85.
Yeah. Do I spell the App Store? Banjo.
Flynn, what floor are you on again?
4, I think. Should I start recording? There it is.
You click the record button.
How do I webcam this time? Okay, let's play this game. So if I'm looking at over there, because I'm looking at the webcam.
Oh, you have your webcam enabled too.
So, epic gameplay time.
You should do it while playing a horror game.
Yes, Hayden. Yes. Sorry about the music in the background. It's just weird. I'll put my Discord in the description again, and I'll put the record on as well.
Nah, it's automatically put in if you automatically upload it. Yeah, all you need to do is click the upload button once you're done. I don't even have to try. While doing these videos, I need to get the upgraded ones so that I can play music in the background while listening to it.
How do I try to go HD? But it won't work.
Sad.
And it's good because Hayden showed me this epic recorder, but my old one wouldn't allow any voices. So,
Even if it doesn't work, Flynn, you need to get speakers.
well, Hayden, I'm trying to turn up the volume. Yeah?
If it doesn't work, you need to get speakers.
Okay. Ooh, that was close.
Baby.
I just got to jump. Anyway. Say hi, Danger. What's that? So that's my dog trying to kill my fish. Sorry, I was AFK.
I suck at this.
Tell me if you like the face cam, but I'll do it again. That probably won't be great.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna be doing a YouTube tutorial set of how to make really good obbies. Well, not really good, easy obbies like this. But I haven't made
I
one.
knew how to use comments.
What?
I finally know how to use comments now, so my viewers can comment on my video. They're probably gonna be hate comments because I don't think they like my channel. Anyway, that's great. That was so close, Mommy. Anyway.
How hard do they get in further stages? Like on your floor, how hard are they?
Not that hard, still easy.
I know this game is too easy. If this
back. And just as you do that, as you watch the video.
oh man. Oh well, that didn't work. I'm close to it anyway.
Hello, that's your long transition. Not that good. Hey, I see it hanging again.
Oh, Flynn, I'm almost at the floor.
I think I'm 2 floors ahead of you.
No, I'm on floor 4 now.
Yeah, I think I'm on floor 5 or something.
No, you're on floor 4 too. Flynn, look at the start. No.
I can't see at the start because everything is just made out of floors and stuff. And
Well, look at.
comment on my video except for me. And you guys don't reply anything of me doing a not YouTube series, another Roblox series one. What the hell? How am I dying? It's so delayed.
Oh, delayed death. Delayed death.
Oh.
Also, I'm going to be doing the same big screen again.
And this is my first time using a face cam. So that's great for a change.
Whoa, while playing Roblox.
Yeah. Whenever I use the webcam or face cam, I feel better using it. Because you can see my reaction while I play. And so my reactions, I'm just happy because I have a face cam. Like, subscribe, and favorite or whatever. I don't think it's possible to favorite.
You can on Roblox games, not YouTube.
That's the easiest way ever. need a bag to have the blanket on the right. Yeah, not bad one.
Right. So I'm on stage 170.
Put your blinker umbrella.
Like and subscribe, or else this will happen. Yep, burp will eat your boogers if you don't subscribe.